Hi, I'm Eric with Colonial Saw. Next to me is Dan Abbott with Eagle Woodworking. Eagle Woodworking does both custom drawers and cabinet doors. Behind us is the first STRIEBIG compact that they purchased getting close to 10 years ago. Dan, what do you love about your STRIEBIG?
From my standpoint, not worrying about it every day. The reliability of the machine, on and off, good cuts, quality cuts, that's the best thing for us.
When you run a business, you have a lot of things to worry about.
This is true. And you don't want machinery to be one of them.
So Dan, you talked about how this saw is such a workhorse for you. Can you talk about like the capacities if someone was to make drawers?
Yeah, a standard day is about 350 drawer bottoms being cut in an 8-hour shift. We can do up to 400 in those 8 hours. And at times when we've had to get ahead, we've been able to do 700 to 800 drawer bottoms over 8 to 10 hours, split up over a couple of guys.
That's impressive. So Dan, you talked about how the business has grown and the saw's done a wonderful job and that it's now time to add another saw.
As we expand into cabinet doors and that business increases, we'll need a compact on that side of the business, not necessarily for as much capacity. So what we'd like to do is let the older one move into that role and then replace what we currently have with a new STRIEBIG. The production capacity is there. Even if we went to 2 shifts, we know it would just continue to work over those 2 shifts.
Oh, beautiful. I appreciate the time.
No problem. Thanks, Eric.